In this video, we will learn how to make fluffy slime. To make fluffy slime, you will need a half cup of glue, 4 cups of shaving cream, food coloring, and 2 tablespoons of contact solution. To your bowl, add glue, shaving cream, and mix both ingredients together. Now add your food coloring and mix. You can now add half of your contact solution to your slime and mix. Pour in the remaining contact solution and mix. When the slime begins to form and no longer sticks to the edges of the bowl, you can take it out and begin kneading it with your hands. And there you have your fluffy slime. Be sure to like and subscribe for more YouTube videos.